market remains as a value-added, distribution unit. But this is by doing all this, we believe that it's going to increase stickiness. It's going to make us more relevant in the whole IT supply chain. So vendors can depend on us to be able to deal with product lines and technology which is on the higher end of the spectrum. And partners can depend more on us from a perspective of being able to fulfill more opportunities from their perspective. See, today with the pace of change that in technology, it's very difficult for a single partner to be specialized in everything.
Right.
So whereas we sitting we can consolidate because we are looking at Middle East Africa. If I have two resources who are highly specialized in, let's say, identity and access management,
Right.
those two resources are going to have, let's say, 50 opportunities to work. But for a reseller who might do one opportunity in an entire year, it's not going to be feasible for him to be able to afford to have these kind of resources, with them. So it's about economies of scale. It's about looking at the whole IT supply chain and looking at how you can be more relevant, how can you create more stickiness, and that's the idea.